video. Can you guess what we're doing in this video? A sword. Say hi.
Yeah, what's good, y'all?
So we're out here because I'm gonna make a pipe cleaner sword, and so obviously I need pipe cleaners, but then I need like these stick things. I need beads. What else? I'm gonna do gems, and the rest we'll figure out along the way. So let's see if I have any of this, and then whatever I don't have, I'll buy at the store. How about that? Guys, I have these little jewels. It's a puppy, and it's a purple crown. Look what I just found! Look what I just found right there! I could use you guys. I could use this for my vlogs, dude. I could put you guys here, and then I could just. Oh my god! Hi guys! Okay, I found a bunch of pipe cleaners. I have a crap ton of pipe cleaners, possibly like 300. So hopefully that suffices. And if it doesn't, I'll buy more. Okay. I have bells, I have gems, I have ribbon, which is perfect. I have a bunch of these little sticks, so I don't need those little rod thingies at the dollar store. I can just use these sticks and wrap the pipe cleaners on this. How about that? Guys, I'm testing out the little vlogging camera holder thingy. That's so adorable. Okay, what we gotta do is we gotta find my hot glue gun, because if I can find my hot glue gun and my glue sticks, maybe I could start it right now. At what time is it? At 11:10 p.m. at night. I'm gonna look for it tomorrow because I have no clue where that bag is. Because I don't know where that bag is, it's being found tomorrow because it's hot in here and I'm thirsty. But hi, we're in the garage again. It's the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and grab everything that I need for the sword, and then go back inside, and maybe I'll get some other stuff, little DIY stuff. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll see you inside. I brought my container inside, my DIY container inside, and so now I'm just gonna go through these little drawers to see if there's anything else that I want to bring inside, so we can DIY. And I think that should be all. So I grabbed my OG craft board. Let me take these color pencils out. Oh, there's a bunch more stuff in here. Little gems, little pom-poms. I got stickers. I got more pipe cleaners. Ooh, I have a lot of stuff in here that we can use. That's good. That's really good. Okay. And then there's also like glitter out here. I have glitter in the drawer, but I'm not allowed to bring it in, so if I use glitter, it'll have to be glitter glue. Now, let's get inside and talk. It's perfect. It's literally so beautiful. It's perfect. It's so me. Oh my god, I can't wait. Now, can you guys guess what this sword is for? Right. This sword is for my Halloween costume. I know, it's July and I'm already making a Halloween costume. If you guys can guess what character it is, I'll give you a shout out. The only hint I'm gonna give is that she's the female version of a boy character. So if you guys can figure it out, yeah, shout out. Okay. Before I end this video, I just want to show you guys my dolls. I got all of them. These two came in recently. She was back in February, I think. Mind you, she was like 28 bucks. That's very saddening. And now she's like 11. She's 11 and she's like 15 now. Like, what? Okay. Anyways, I did an opening for her on my TikTok. You should be able to see it somewhere if you scroll down a bit. There will be an opening for these two soon. So if you're curious, go check it out. Hello. And after that, I think I'll just post the 3 of them on YouTube. So you can either see the opening on YouTube or you can see the individual openings on TikTok. For this video though, it's pretty short, but that's okay. I have more stuff to come eventually, so like it, share it, comment, subscribe, and I don't know. Give me some more YouTube ideas, you know? Like, what do you want to see? What do you like? Hello? Talk to me. Communicate. Okay, I'll see you again.